Now, is that what I had planned to do this morning? No. Am I glad I did it? Yes. Got all the opening hardware out of the old truck. Got every screw out. Didn't strip a single one. Okay, these are called clutch heads. And if you're working on the old Chevys, all the bolts are these clutch heads. So if you look at those heads and see that shape, it's not a screwdriver, it's not a Phillips, it's not a flat, it's a clutch head. So get yourself a good set of these. I've got a ratchet set, and they'll help a lot on these old trucks.